Let's find out how to facilitate project collaboration by synchronizing a Confluence page from a Jira issue. Meet Robert. He is a project manager. He is working on a new project and needs to share the information to stakeholders on Confluence. Robert created an epic with a summary, description, and a set of child issues. He asked for his manager approval on the project. Chris is Robert's manager and is in charge of approving projects. Chris changes the status of the issue to approve the project. He leaves a message and sets the date. As soon as the status was changed, Elements Publish created a Confluence page and linked it to the issue. The Confluence page has been created and the template filled with the issue information. Now that the project has been approved, Robert and his team start working on the project. The issue is now in progress. Robert changes the due date. He also adds other labels. Robert edits a child issue status and assignee. The Jira issue and Confluence page are synchronized together. Every time there is a change on the Jira issue fields, the Confluence page is automatically updated. Even the publish macro is dynamic and updated in real time. Labels have also been added at the bottom of the page. Thanks to Elements Publish, Confluence pages are automatically created and synchronized from Jira issues.